VIVO Y66, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation by using the VIVO settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down, choose here more settings, select here the backup and reset. From the following options, let's choose erase all data, and here you can perform simple reset to reset accounts, system settings, apps data, downloaded apps, or you can perform the full reset and also reset the user data such as the user storage, the photos and other stuff. If you are aware of this, let's use format phone storage in my case. So let me perform the full reset, tap reset phone, choose erase everything to accomplish that operation and wait until the process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.